Welcome to ProgramGuru, and you're watching the Linux course playlist. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a file in Linux. Method 1. Using the touch command. The touch command is the easiest and most common way to create an empty file. Touch space myfile.txt. This creates a new empty file called myfile.txt in the current directory. If the file already exists, don't worry, touch will simply update its timestamp. This can be useful when writing scripts or managing logs. Method 2. Using echo with redirection. Next, you can create a file with some content using the echo command and the redirection operator. Here's an example. Echo space hello Linux space greater than symbol space hello.txt. This command creates a file called hello.txt and writes the words hello Linux into it. One important note. If hello.txt already exists, using the greater than symbol will overwrite the file, so use it with caution. Method 3. Using cat command to create and write. The cat command is another versatile tool. Let's create a file and write into it using cat space greater than symbol space notes.txt. Now you're in input mode, type whatever you like, for example. This is my first Linux note. Once you're done, press Ctrl and D together to save and exit. Method 4. Using a text editor. If you want to create and edit the file at the same time, you can use a text editor like Nano, Vim, or even Code for Visual Studio Code. Try any of these. Nano command, Vim command, Code command. If the file doesn't exist, these editors will create it for you automatically. Where is the file created? Good question. By default, Linux creates the file in your current working directory. To check where you are right now, just type pwd. This stands for print working directory, and it shows your current folder location. Let's quickly recap. Touch file.txt creates an empty file. Echo text greater than symbol file.txt creates a file with text inside. Cat greater than symbol file.txt lets you type manually and save. Nano file.txt creates and opens the file in a text editor. And that's it. You've just learned 4 different ways to create files in Linux. Whether you're a complete beginner or just brushing up your skills, these methods will come in handy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to ProgramGuru for more Linux tutorials. See you in the next one.